Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. The 3 stars Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, number 9371. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, it's a truly 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s, 3 3s, 1 4, 4 5s. Well. 1 2 3 4. How about the 6s? 1 2 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I start with 5? Yes, 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5 5 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 there. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left the 6 should be there. 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in the first row could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4, 4. Then let me see. We have a pair. We have a 1. We have a pair in this big square. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 5 in the second column. So no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. And we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square. For the 1 and 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright. Then 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Then need a 2 there, need a 2 here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the second row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square, other numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, 3 3 9 9. Yeah, we have a pair again in this big square. We have a 7 and a 3 in this column. We have a 7 and a 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 3, 7 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 6, 6. And I need a 6 there. Well, I think the 6 should be here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. Well, this is also a missing number. In this row, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can also not be a 6 in these 3 boxes because we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. So the only place left 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Then 1, 1, 1, 7. Yeah, 7. Need a 4 here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. Oh! 7 and a 3. I need a 4 here. Made a mistake here. Double 5 here. 5 should be there then, I think. Yeah. I think this 5 is not correct here. This 5. This 5 or that 5? I think this 5 is not correct. 5, 5, 5, yeah. This should be 7, 3 and the 4. 7, 3 and 4. This should be a 4 here. Yeah. I need a 4 in the last column. This should be the 4. Made a mistake. Apologies. Okay, we have a 4 here then. Need a 5 here, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers: the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, then need a 5 here. But the 2. Come on. Need an 8 here. We have a pair. The 4 and 8 in the last row. The 4 and 8 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 9. How about these 3 missing numbers? 6 is missing. Also the 3 is missing. We need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 3. Should be there. 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We cannot fill this yet. 1 digit left in this big square, I believe the 9. 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing here. Need a 9 here, and I need a 7. Yeah, we have a pair. The 7 and 9 in this column, the 7 and 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7 and 9. Okay. 1, 2, 9. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, 8. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. 2 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 2 and 8. 1, 2, and then 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Here can be 4. 1, 2, 4. 4, 4. So we need a 4 there. Well, we have 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4, here we have a 4, that means in this row, we need a 4 in one of these 4 missing numbers. Well, here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here or there. Well, I think the 4 should be here because we have a 4 here and a 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here then. Okay. 2, 8 and the need a 3 here. Yeah, in this column we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 7 and a 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in this column we need an 8 in. Oh, we already have 8 here. Okay. Yeah, I need a 7 there. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 5, 7 and a 9, okay. How about that? Need a 4 here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there then. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and 8, we have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, we really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.